Hey everyone! So in this video, I'll be doing my another session of at-home microneedling, and this is how my skin looks like after a week from my previous at-home microneedling and TCA cross and chemical peel. So this is the tool that I will be using, which is the Banisher 2.0. But first, I will exfoliate my skin using the pumpkin enzyme mask. Alright, so this mask will help to resurface our skin. It will also reduce the oily skin appearance. It will also help to clear our pores, blackheads, and prevent acne. It will also improve our skin clarity and skin tone. So this is suitable for oily skin, combination skin, dry skin, and normal skin. Alright, so I will just leave it for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing it off with water. Alright, and this is how my skin look after washing it with water, and you can see that instant glow. Alright, so I will now start with my micro needling procedure, of course using the Banisher 2.0. And this tool has 24K gold-plated titanium bristles, which promotes collagen, and gold has antibacterial properties. And Banisher 2.0 will help to boost your collagen production on our skin, and it will help to reduce the appearance of acne, scars, fine lines, and of course hyperpigmentation or dark marks. And by the way everyone, if you want to also try this product, you may visit their website www.banish.com, and you may use my discount code MARS to get $5 off for orders $50 above. And I will also include these details on the description box of this video for your reference. And on how to use this tool, so first you just need to disinfect it with an alcohol for 5 minutes. So it has its own sanitizing cup where you can disinfect the tool. And then after disinfecting it, you just need to let it air dry for 2 minutes before using the tool. And on how I do the procedure, so I'm just pressing the tool 3 to 5 times on each area of my skin that needs to be treated. And you just need to press the tool on your skin and then lift it up and then rotate 90 degrees and then press it again on the skin. And please remember that don't use the tool on your active pimples or if you have damaged skin. And I can really recommend this tool because it is safe and effective, especially if you're doing at-home micro needling. Alright, so here I am done with the procedure, and this is how my skin looked, and it's time for my aftercare products. So first, I applied the Banish serum. So this is a vitamin C and E, which will also help to boost your skin collagen production for faster skin healing process, and it will also help to brighten our skin. Alright, and then next I will also apply the Banish Fighter Gel to soothe my skin, to fight skin inflammation, and also to reduce skin irritation. Alright, and then lastly, I will apply the Banish Vitamin C Cream. So this cream has alpha-arbutin, which is the natural form of hydroquinone for skin lightening. And then it also has licorice extract to prevent and fade dark spots. And it also has vitamin C for sensitive skin, for hydration, and to replenish the skin barrier because it also has glycerin. Alright, so that's it everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and share this video, follow me, and subscribe to my channel. Bye! Mwah.